Very good afternoon, my dear children. Hope you all completed your morning sessions revision, practice sheet and revision test. Now, let us go with the summary of reading B and reading C. First, let us in brief discuss the summary of the Duck and the Kangaroo poem. This poem shows the true love of true friends, the duck and the kangaroo. True friends help one another. The duck thinks that her life is boring as she lives in a dirty pond. She likes to go out and see the world. She says that the kangaroo is lucky who can jump or spring. The duck also likes to have the same quality. The duck requests the kangaroo to give her a ride on his back. They will go over the land and the sea. The kangaroo agrees, but he complains that her wet and cold feet will trouble him. The duck replies that she has 4 pairs of woolen socks and these fit her feet neatly. She has also bought a clock to keep out the cold. She will also smoke a cigar daily. The kangaroo gets ready and advises the duck to sit steady to keep his balance. She should sit on the tip of his tail. In this way, they hopped the whole world round 3 times and both became happy. Now, let us revise the summary of Little Bobby. Little Bobby was a story of a troublemaking boy who wanted a bike for his birthday. Little Bobby asked his mother to buy a red bike for him for his birthday. But the mother wanted to make Bobby think on his behavior and asked him to think about how he had behaved that year. She asked him to write a letter to God and tell him why he deserved a bike for his birthday. Bobby wrote 4 letters to God requesting him for a red bike. While writing letters, he learned that he did not deserve to get a bike for his birthday. But he wanted to have the bike at any cost. It is fun to know that finally Bobby went to the church and stole the statue of Mary, the mother of God. Then he wrote a letter to God. He wrote that he had kidnapped the God's mother. He demanded God to send the bike if he wanted to see his mother again. Now let us start with our section A, reading comprehension. Read the following stanza. Said the kangaroo, I am ready, all in the moonlight pale. But to balance me well, dear duck, sit steady, and quite at the end of my tail. So away they went with a hop and a bound, and they hopped the whole world 3 times round. And who's so happy? Oh, who? Asked the duck and the kangaroo. So hope so by seeing the stanza itself, you know that this is from the poem The Duck and the Kangaroo. Now coming to the choose the correct answer. First question, when did the kangaroo and the duck take a ride? So when did the duck and the kangaroo take a ride, children? So let me see the options. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the moonlight, pale. Once again I am telling you the options. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the moonlight, pale. So you can easily find out the answer from the given stanza because it is mentioned clearly here, all in the moonlight, pale. So the both went to the right on a moonlight, pale. So what is the correct answer here? Moonlight, pale. Coming to the second question. The kangaroo requested the duck options to sit at the end of his tail, to be quiet, to sit steady, all the above. Find out the answer from for the given sentence, children. Find out here. You can see the options here. What did the kangaroo requested the duck here? To sit at the end of his tail. Did it requested the duck? Yes, it requested the duck to sit at the end of his tail. To be quiet. Yes, the kangaroo requested to be quiet. to sit steady. Yes, again the kangaroo requested the duck to sit ready. So the kangaroo requested to sit steady, to be quiet, and to sit at the end of his tail. So these three options are correct. So what is the correct option here? All the above. So what is the correct answer here? All the above. Coming to the third question. Who was happy at the end? I hope so everybody know the answer soon. Yes. Who was happy? Kangaroo, duck, both the kangaroo and the duck? None. What is the correct answer? Yes. Both the kangaroo and the duck were happy at the end because why? Already in the summary I have told you, because the wish of the duck was fulfilled and the kangaroo also helped the duck to go round the world. Section B, vocabulary and grammar. Now you have to choose the right word in the given sentences. What are the right words given here? Deserve, birthday, reflect, think, behavior, trouble, reflection. Let us go into the lesson. Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to dash on his dash over the last year and said, "Go to your room, Bobby, and dash about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell him why you dash a bike for your dash." So very easily you can answer these questions. Answer these blanks. So let us see. What did Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to dash on his dash? Yes, Bobby's mother wanted to Bobby reflect on his behavior. Bobby's mother wanted to reflect on his behavior. So what is the fourth answer here? Reflect. What is the fifth answer here? Behavior. Over the last year and said, "Go to your room, Bobby, and..." What she told there? Go to your room and think. Go to your room and think about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell him why you dash a bike. Why you deserve. Do you deserve a bike? So, why you deserve a bike for your birthday. So, these are the given answers. What is the fourth answer here? Reflect. Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect, wanted to think on his behavior over the last year and said, "Go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell him why you deserve a bike for your birthday." So my dear children, once again I am repeating you, go thoroughly with the textbook. Go through each and every paragraph in the textbook. It helps you to complete the paragraph question answers and the vocabulary and grammar part. Coming to the rewrite as directed. Some words in the given passage are underlined. So let us see to the passage. Bobby, no, even if it was true. This letter was not going to get him a bike. Now, Bobby was very upset. He went downstairs and told his mom that he wanted to go to church. Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked as Bobby looked very sad. Just he be home on time for dinner, Bobby's mother told him. Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. So my dear children, in the morning session itself, I told you to read thoroughly the passage and know the question here. So first of all, see here. First of all, let us see the 9th question. It is mentioned as no. What you have to write for no here? Write the correct form of the underlined word. Let us see the sentence first. Bobby, no, even if it was true. So here, Bobby, no, or here it is true, that it was true that letter won't get him bike. He already knew that. So what is the answer here? Knew. So what is the correct form of no here? Knew. even if it was true. What you have to write for the true here? Write the word that is opposite in meaning of the underlined word. So you have to write the opposite of the given word true. What is the opposite of true? I hope so you know very easily the answer. Opposite of true is false. This letter was not going to get him a bike. Now Bobby was very upset. So what you have to write for the upset? Replace the underlined word with a suitable word. Suitable word of upset is, what is the suitable word of upset? He is very sad. So what is the answer for upset? Sad. Just you think very lightly. You think, my dear children, what is the word? So upset means what? What is the other word of upset? What is the correct word of upset? Just you imagine and write the given correct answer. He went downstairs and told his mom that he wanted to go to church. Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked as Bobby looked very sad. Just be home on time for dinner, Bobby's mother told him. So for 12th question, what you have to write? Replace the underlined word with the correct one. So instead of on, what is the preposition you have to use here? Just be home on time. So it is not the correct preposition given here. You can identify very easily. So what is the correct preposition used here? Be in time for dinner, Bobby's mother told him. Last question. Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. So what is the question you have to write for the correct one? Write the right form of the underlined word. So Bobby walking down the street to the church on the corner. What is the correct word? Correct word for the right form of the word walked here, walking. My dear children, whenever you are writing here, just identify the suitable one, correct one, and the right form. Whether it may be ing form or ed form, it may be very easily or the similar meaning. So kindly identify and think and write. Dear children, complete your practice sheets, revision test and send it to my given WhatsApp number. And I wish you once again all the best for your exams. Thank you.